Let's learn about dividing large numbers. A factory produced 67,895 units of a product in 1 month. If they are to be packaged equally into 25 boxes, how many units will each box contain and how many units will be left over? This is a long division problem. We're going to take our 67,895 units and we're dividing that equally into 25 boxes. So we're going to see how many products are in each box here. 25 goes into 67. That's going to be 2 times, because 2 times 25 is 50. Subtract the two numbers. I get a 17. 67 minus 50 is a 17. Bring down the 8. Now 25 goes into 178. Well, it goes into 175 right there 7 times. And 7 times 25 is that 175. We subtract two numbers. And that gives me a 3. 178 minus 175 is 3. Bring down the 9. 25 goes into 39 one time, because 1 times 25 is 25. We subtract the two numbers, and 9 minus 5 is that 4 here, and 3 minus 2 is a 1. We got a 14. We bring down the 5. Running out of space here, I'll fit it in. At the end, we have a what times 25 gets me 145. That's going to be 5. It gives me a 25, so I'm going to write it right here, 145. All right, so 5 times 25 is a 125. Subtract the 2, and we get a 20, and that's our remainder. So we have 2,715, remainder 20. What does that tell us here? Well, each box will contain 2,715 products, and there'll be 20 left over. I hope you learned something here about dividing large numbers, and as always, thanks for watching.